Hey, what's going on, guys? Alex here with TFL Bike. I'm just going to do a little talking before I jump into this video here, but a lot of you guys have been asking for some track day footage, and that's what this is. I've got a raw, unedited track day video for you. Me and my buddy, or a couple buddies, went out to Utah Motorsports Campus a little while ago, and my friend Nathan chased me around the East Course at Utah Motorsports Campus. So this footage is taken from my buddy Nathan's perspective on his Kawasaki ZX6R. I'm in front of him for most of this clip on my Yamaha R6, the pink and white bike. So yeah, it's just gonna be some raw and unedited footage. Like I said, this video is not for everybody, but some people have been asking for it. I'm by no means a pro on the racetrack. This is an intermediate B group session, not setting record lap times or anything like that, just going out and having fun, which is what this organization is all about. Legion Moto is the track day org that I ran this course with. They do track days here in Colorado, Utah, Arizona, and Kansas, and I go to most of them. So if you want to ride with me on the racetrack, and if this looks fun to you, come check it out. They do a really good job. And yeah, they're not paying me to say anything like that. I spend my own money on the weekends to go ride with these guys, and I have a blast. So yeah, that's pretty much all I'm gonna say. I'm just gonna roll the footage. Hopefully you enjoy it. And yeah, here we go. So there you have it, just some raw and unedited footage. Like I said at the start of this video is not for everyone. Racing isn't something that interests everybody, but I had the footage sitting on my computer and a lot of you wanted to see it, so I figured might as well upload it. And hopefully it was fun for some of you to watch. Again, if this looked fun to you, check out Legion Moto, come do a track day. Doesn't matter what kind of bike you have. Both me and my buddy in this clip are riding, track dedicated 600s, but there's plenty of people there on Supermotos and Ninja 400s. I've even seen people on like Harleys and some really weird bikes. So it doesn't matter what you have. There's, groups for all different skill levels, and it's truly just a blast. I have such a good time when I do this. So yeah, hopefully this inspires some of you to get some track day time. And we'll have some more of this coming later down the line. I am flying out to California very soon to do a full track day video on the all-new Kawasaki ZX6R. I love small displacement bikes. There was actually a ZX6R at this track day. I got to kind of poke around it and watch it go around the track a bunch, and it looked awesome. So stay tuned for that. Check out alltfl.com. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and we'll see you in the next video.